Today we're cleaning up pallets. We brought all the pallets in from the bee yards and kind of grinding them down, get all the excess beeswax off them and the dirt, fixing them up if they need repairs, and then we put a coat of paint on them. The paint kind of seals everything in, and I think it just makes them nicer, makes them last longer. These are 6-way pallets, meaning each area holds one colony. Mine have entrances here, here, and then the outside ones are flipped. This one's on the other side. This one's on the other side. It's kind of a design that came up with by a beekeeper long ago and seems to work for us. For comparison, here's an old Dave Mindy's 6-way. You could tell, you know, all the entrances are facing one way. But the biggest difference is the clips are in the back and they hold the box in the back like that. The only problem is with my setup specifically, I have clips on the back of my lids, and it's a really tight gap in between here as compared to in here. They're good pallets. They warp really easy. They're real deep. I like that, and they're smaller. I still run them because I have them, but if I wouldn't make them like this. I mean, it may have worked in Florida, but it doesn't work that great here. This is one of the original pallets, designed by Walter Pratt of Pratt Apiaries. You could tell that the clips are way more heavy duty than the ones I have now. It's tongue and groove, boards put across, and you know, these pallets are probably 30 years old. Good as new. All right, we got all these ready to go, ready to be painted. That stack of pallets is ones that need a lot of repair if they're even good anymore. A lot of these maybe I ran them over with a forklift or something. I don't know. Dropped them. That one. It's getting old. All these pallets are done. Ready for 2021 splits. So, thanks for watching. Join me next week on lid cleaning and painting. Please subscribe.